Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make rock candy at home. First, gather your ingredients: 2 cups of sugar, 1 cup of water, and a clean glass jar. You will also need a wooden skewer or a piece of string with a paperclip attached to one end. Make sure all your equipment is sparkling clean to prevent any impurities from affecting your candy's growth. This initial setup is quick and easy, getting you ready for the next steps. Next, we'll create our supersaturated sugar solution. Carefully heat 1 cup of water in a saucepan until it reaches a gentle boil. Then, gradually add 2 cups of granulated sugar, stirring continuously. It's crucial to keep stirring until every single sugar crystal has completely dissolved. This process ensures your solution is ready to form beautiful crystals, setting the stage for your delicious rock candy. Now, let's prepare for the magic of crystal growth. Carefully pour the hot, clear sugar solution into your clean glass jar. Take your prepared wooden skewer or string and dip it into the solution, ensuring it's fully coated. Then, suspend the skewer or string in the center of the jar, making sure it doesn't touch the bottom or sides. This provides a surface for the sugar crystals to begin forming. Finally, the hardest part: patience. Place your jar in a cool, undisturbed spot where it won't be jostled. Over the next few days, you'll observe beautiful sugar crystals slowly growing on your skewer or string. Once they reach your desired size, carefully remove them and let them dry before enjoying your homemade rock candy. For more great deals and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, be sure to look at the link in the description below. Happy candy making!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.